Hi, I'm Brian from Oregon River Rentals, and here I am today with our Airhead Montana inflatable kayaks. One of the features of the inflatable kayaks, especially the Montana series, is that it's built on a bladder system. And what that means is that it has an outer shell, and then with a few zips of the zipper, you can access the inside bladder, which is really what contains the air. So it's a double-walled featured kayak for added security, resist punctures, allows you to bounce off a few more rocks with this type of system. The Airhead Montanas have a 3-bladder system. That means that there's 2 bladders on each side and then 1 in the floor. The way that the valving works for these Montanas is it's a simple Boston valve. They simply screw into each of the bladders, and then the cap is also screwed on top. And that's the same for each of these bladders. The Airhead seats are really comfortable if you know how to install them. They're not completely intuitive, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. First of all, the bottom of the seat is actually an inflatable as well. If you unzip this, you have access to the valve here. Just pinch and use the pump to pump it up. Usually I like to keep these a little bit soft, on the softer side, rather than really firm. So you zip it back up. There's 4 straps on this seat. These 2 that are attached on the back, and there's 2 that are on the bottom of the seat here. And the way you do it, the 2 straps that are on the seat actually go to the front of the boat on these D-rings. Simply thread it through the ring and back through the buckle here, and then back in on itself. Do the same thing for the other side. For the back, there's a strap that's to the bottom of the seat that attaches to the D-rings here on the back of the boat. Same idea, just thread it through and then back in on itself, and do the same thing for the other side. Now that we've inflated the boat and installed the seat, I want to point out a couple of features about this inflatable. The Montanas are rated for up to Class 2 flat water rivers or lakes. And one of the neat features about this is that it has molded in fins, or sometimes called skegs, that help keep the boat tracking in one direction. So every paddle stroke, your boat isn't wobbling back and forth. Another feature about the boat, and this might seem a little bit silly, but due to its light weight, these are really easy to portage. And to help you portage the boat, they come with these installed handles that might seem a little silly, but when you need to carry the boat from one place to the other, to portage around anything in the river, or to take it from a campground down to a lake, these are really, really helpful to get your boat down to the water. So if you have any other questions about the Airhead Montanas, feel free to give us a call.